Peeling an onion is probably the most basic of all kitchen tasks, and every cook needs to know how to do it efficiently and safely. It is really important to invest in good quality cook's knives, such as we have here. Remove the top and then the bottom of the onion using the small paring knife. At all times, hold the onion firmly with fingers tucked well back, sometimes known as a claw grip. Remove the peel and set aside. The peel can be used to make stock. Once the skin is removed from the onion, its fumes tend to make our eyes water. Some people think chilling the onion helps minimise this. Some try to hold their breath. Most of us just try to finish the task quickly. Hopefully the following tips may help. Using the large cook's knife, cut the onion in half and place it flat side down for safety. Note the position of the fingers, tucked in so that the knife can only ever come in contact with knuckles, not fingers. There are at least 2 ways to correctly hold a cook's knife. Most professional chefs hold the knife in a pistol grip with the forefinger tucked over the blade as shown. Others use the forefinger on top of the blade. In this first technique, we show how to slice an onion. Slice through the onion with your knife at an angle and work your way around. When you get near the end, turn the last piece flat and finish slicing it. Now we're going to show how to create half rings. Slice down crosswise. These can be done thinly or thickly. Thick slices are best for baking or grilling. Thin slices are ideal for caramelizing. Discard the root end as this bit never softens. Finally, we're going to show how to dice an onion. Slowly slice the onion finely without cutting all the way through. Turn the onion 90 degrees. Make 1 or 2 horizontal slices. Now slice down finely in the other direction. Practice makes perfect.